Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious peanut butter dressing for salad. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of a sweetener like maple syrup or honey. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. These simple items form the foundation of a fantastic dressing. Now let's get mixing. Take a medium-sized bowl and add your 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter. Pour in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Next, add your 1 tablespoon of sweetener, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 clove of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform. This creates the rich, flavorful base for your dressing. Once your base is mixed, it's time to perfect the consistency and flavor. Slowly add warm water, about 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time, whisking continuously. You're aiming for a pourable yet creamy texture. After reaching your desired consistency, taste the dressing. You might want to add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, or even a little more sweetener to balance the flavors perfectly. This step ensures your dressing is just right. Your delicious homemade peanut butter dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it on a crisp green salad, a hearty grain bowl, or even as a sauce for roasted vegetables. This dressing also works wonderfully as a dip for fresh spring rolls or grilled chicken. If you have any leftover, simply transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.